Once a wise man said, "The Ferrari is a dream car. People dream about it. People dream about owning this car. And for most of the people, it will always remain a dream." Today, we're heading our gate to the world of racing cars. Speed, dominance and signature sound of engine. The most famous Rosso Corsa color. Welcome to another exciting video of Wagon & Bolt. Today, we are going to talk about the greatest sports car in the world, Ferrari. 288 GTO and 599 GTO were crazy models based on existing models. The F40 is considered to be the best supercar ever made in 1987. To celebrate the 40th anniversary of Ferrari, the Ferrari F40 was the last Ferrari personally approved by Enzo Ferrari and price was $40,000 back then. One of the finest and screaming piece of art in 2012, they produced F12 Benedetta, the most powerful and high performance road car yet. The V12 740 horsepower at 8,500 rpm, 0 to 100 in 3 seconds, it was the fastest Ferrari ever made. Most of its body was made and constructed from aluminium, rather than the more expensive carbon we see on the more exotic cars these days. Everything about Ferrari cars is great and unique. Amazing performance, and they are constantly dragging the automotive industry into the future of 7 decades. Ferrari has been the top automotive car brand. The short list of a great road cars isn't a short list at all. Ferrari has been the outstanding ability to produce some of the best sports cars and road cars. Nothing that we include Ferrari 458 Italia and LaFerrari in the list too. In 1962, 250 GTO may be considered the first in the line of Ferrari supercars. It was a gem. After that, they didn't look back. Enzo Ferrari, the founder of Ferrari automobile mark, wanted to create the racing masterpiece in 1962. They came up with the Ferrari 250 GTO. The GTO came about as the car Enzo always wanted. To handle the newer V12 engine, they had a full spec of racing cars. The car took the Ferrari to the new level back then. It was much lower and much aerodynamic car in the shorter wheelbase. This iconic car was only 36, and all 36 survived till date. Car was able to produce 300 horsepower, 3 Weber carburetors were nearly bulletproof. They could run 24-hour race, and then you could drive it another miles to get home. In 1967, the Dino was the first mid-engine Ferrari, gorgeous and mind-blowing, and this layout would used in the most of the Ferraris. This car was blend of classic and modern cars. It represents the kind of history, and it also only one left in the world. This car was made to tribute Enzo's brother Dino. The whole idea was to compete Porsche's market that time. With the V12 and price was too low as they can go against the Porsche's market. The magic sound and power made it the iconic for Ferrari's history. The space from chassis and body used 12 different kinds of alloy, some of which have been used for the first time in automobile sector. It means reducing weight to just 1,525 kg. It was one of the fantastic car ever. Ferrari 258 in 2014 was a game changer with convertible roof, 4.5 litre V8 engine, 562 horsepower, set a new level for sports cars. 0 to 100 in just 3.4 seconds, with a top speed of 322 km per hour. Its line, curve and giant carbon ceramic brakes made it more outstanding. The massive engine and the most important badge on it, the interior was pretty and dominating. The seats have carbon fiber shells and side bolsterings, all thanks to Alcantara trim shoulder rest for better grip. The design and color shows, yes, it is an Italian car. The giant start-stop button on steering wheel and gear indicator display made it more stylish. The carbon fiber center console and the suspension edges made it more cooler. The Manic Dino switch, which is a wonderful little invention, which instantly vary between traction control mode. It is derived from Formula 1 tech and got fine modes to choose from. The wet mode, sports mode, race mode which turns the traction off little bit, and the city mode. The beautiful instrumental cluster got all the information. Everything is full of F1 car features all together in a street car. Ferrari claims that if you drive it like a Sen, it can get up to 22 km peel out of it. This was the most shocking news for other sports car makers. Because of massive tire size, design alloy wheels away gates breathing, yellow brake calipers with carbon ceramic brakes for absolute stunning performance. Ferrari has to be red, and this obviously meets the criteria. It was a rear wheel drive with bigger rear tires. The rear look was more appealing with quad exhaust diffuser and signature tail lamps. With 553 horsepower, 0 to 100 in just 3.6 seconds with a top speed of 315 km per hour. On March 2011, Ferrari released their first ever station wagon, the Ferrari FF. FF stands for 4-door, 4-wheel drive. It was a practical car, the high-revving 6.3 liters V12 engine, producing 651 horsepower. Ferrari did a good job making this thing. The car was equipped with Soman's performance test pipes and X pipes. Sound for the car was glorious, the standard ceramics brake, same luxury treatment and sporty feel. Boot space was decent to keep stuff. Which one you liked the most? In 1908, Enzo's father took him and his elder brother Dino race in Bologna. There he became obsessed with racing car and decided wanted to become a racing car driver. Enzo's dream came into reality in 1990 when he made his first racing debut at the age of 21. The very first car produced and built under Ferrari's name was 125S. 125 for engine displacement and S stands for sports. It was a beautiful car. In 1962 and 1964, Ferrari 250 GTO is often called the most desirable car of that era. In 2002, Ferrari introduced Enzo. Only 400 were made. Many cars produced by Ferrari have odd numbers by their colors. You might not know, these colors tribute their race horses. The most expensive car ever sold was 1957 Ferrari 251 Testarossa. It got 9.2 million euros in recent auction. Kim K owns custom Ferrari F430. Justin Bieber owns several cars including Ferrari 458 Italia and a black Ferrari 458 Spider. Ferrari has been showcased in many famous movies like 1992 Scent of a Woman, 1996 The Rock, 2003 the most famous Bad Boys 2. Ferrari 550 Maranello was used in the most of its scene. In 2012, Indian movie Ferrari Ki Savari was based on red Ferrari car. Red was the color that International Automobile Federation assigned to all Italian Grand Prix race cars in earlier years of auto racing. The most people still choose red as their Ferrari color. 45% of Ferrari sold all over the world is red in color. Interested to know how this brand got its logo or the SF written in the logo? What does that mean? Do watch another video 10 logos with hidden meaning and exceptional history. Thank you for watching this video. Do follow us on Instagram for more further updates.